Since 1803, Lord Hirosaki ordered and transplanted more than 100 kinds of seedlings from Kyoto. Momijiyama has been a popular maple sightseeing spot in the autumn when the leaves change color in spectacular fashion. This is a historic spot where about 130 maples over 100 years old can be seen. Nakano Shrine is situated within the woods of Nakano Momiji Mountain. Nakano Shrine is the home of several ancient trees, such as a 200-year-old Japanese maple, 600-year-old great cedar, a 200-year-old fir tree. These are all natural monuments of Kuroishi City. The colorful autumn leaves, reflected in waterfalls and mountain streams, create a beautiful world.